Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you how to force a website into dark mode. So let's say you're on Edge here, right? And you see it's like a white web page and you don't want to go to it. You're going to go to the top right there. You're going to go to the settings, right? And then once you go to the settings, you're going to have to go to settings on the right side, and then on the left side you're going to go to the appearance side, right? And then once you go to the appearance, you have to show only apply page colors when high contrast themes are on. Okay, so that's going to allow it to change from dark mode to white mode, like from white mode to dark mode. So if you turn that off now, right, you're going to be able to see now it's in dark mode on white pages. Well, it's going to try its best to do so as much as it can. But yeah, so once you do that, it's going to show you that you can do external. I mean, you can do dark instead of light. But yeah, let's get it. Let's go.